Dito pa rin tayo sa ating brain at ngayon usapang cranial nerves naman tayo. Ang cranial nerves ng ating peripheral nervous system ay binubuo ng 12 na pares sa likod ng ating brain. Ang mga nerve na to ang nag-send ng signal o nag-carry ng sensory or motor information between sa ating katawan at sa ating brain. Any information na nasa-send from brain to periphery, efferent yon or motor nerve. And pag naman nag-travel siya from periphery to the brain, afferent naman or sensory nerve. Or pwede rin naman na motor and sensory yung isang nerve natin. Now, dito na tayo sa cranial nerves natin at may numerical order sila. Kaya kung memorize natin, talagang in order dapat. Hindi sila pwedeng pagbalik-balik na rin. Don't worry guys kasi madali lang yan. Kaya, let's start. Number 1 is olfactory nerve, sense of smell. Number 2, optic nerve, yung abilidad mo para makakita ka. 3, oculomotor nerve, yung abilidad mo para ma-move mo at may blink mo yung mata mo. 4, trochlear nerve, abilidad mo para move mo yung eyes mo up and down and back and forth. 5, trigeminal nerve, yung sensation sa mukha mo, yung maigalaw mo yung jaw mo, at saka yung taste, sense of taste. 6, abducens nerve, ability to move your eyes. 7, facial nerve, facial expressions and sense of taste. 8, auditory or vestibular nerve, sense of hearing and balance. 9, glossopharyngeal nerve, ability to taste and swallow. 10, vagus nerve, digestion and heart rate. 11, accessory nerve, shoulder and neck muscle movement. And last, number 12, hypoglossal nerve, ability to move your tongue. Now, para ma-memorize natin yung in order na arrangement nila para maging easy peasy lang, tandaan lang natin to guys. O, 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 to touch and feel a girl's vulva, a heaven. Or virgin girl's vulva, a heaven. Remember guys, yung cranial nerve 8 natin, it's either auditory or vestibular or vestibulocochlear. Kaya nakalagay dyan A/virgin, auditory or vestibular. Now, bahala ka na kung paano mo bibigkasin yung palatandaan natin na O to touch and feel para lang mas ma-retain sa utak mo. Yung tatlo na magkakasunod na mnemonics natin na O, para hindi mo sila mapagpalit-palit yung tatlo na yon, yung magkakasunod na yon, tandaan mo yung all of ok. Para matandaan mo naman kung sensory or motor or sensory and motor siya, yung both yung mix, dapat tandaan mo yung some says money matters, but my brother says big brain matters most. Lahat ng nagsisimula sa S, ibig sabihin sensory, like yung some. At lahat naman nagsisimula ng M, ibig sabihin noon is motor, like yung matters. And B naman is both. So ito guys yung ating way para mas matandaan natin ang ating cranial nerves para hindi natin sila mapagbabalik-baliktad. Ito lang guys ang ating message share sa ating cranial nerves topic at sana laging inuulit na sana kahit konti lang may natututunan tayo dito. Thank you for watching guys. Thank you and please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell para laging updated dito sa ating bahay. Thank you so much. Bye!